Hello everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how can you change server in AFK journey. So first of all, you have to open up the application or the game. Then what you have to do is that on the main interface, you have to click on your profile icon. On your profile icon, you have to go to the settings. Now on the settings, first of all, you have to go to other on this section. Now, what you have to do is that to change your server, you have to create a new character. So then you simply have to click on the option that says create a new character. Once you click on it, you will have to name your character and then change the appearance of it. Right there, you will see the option of change your server. So from there, you can very easily change your server in AFK journey. So that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing for more videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.